Hey Rosebuds, it's your girl KenzieChenelle back with another video, and today, as you can see by the thumbnail, well, if you don't know that bag, then we can't be friends. But I went to a Five Below and I just picked up a whole bunch of stuff. This was actually on Thursday. Yeah, because I was actually going to look for a Halloween costume for me and my daughter. But then I seen so much other stuff and I was like, oh my God, I gotta get it. I have an addiction. It's really bad. So yeah, but I just picked up a whole bunch of stuff and I'm just gonna show y'all what I got. The first thing I'm gonna show y'all is this beanie, because I've lost this thing so many times trying to film this freaking video.
I just had it. Where is it? Did you touch it? I know you touched it. I swear to God, if you touched it.
So yeah, it's just this gray beanie right here. And it was $5. It's super freaking cute. I will put it on, but I got this hair wrap on my hair today and it is looking flawless, so we're not gonna mess that up. So yeah, I just got this beanie right here. It's really cute. Got the little puff ball. I think they had like black ones. They might have had, no, they didn't have a pink one, because if they had a pink I would have got it. They had black ones and I think they had white also. The next thing I got was this hoodie right here. It's just like a cropped hoodie or whatever, and it just says hustle. And y'all know I like something with hustle because I got a tattoo right here that says hustle. And then I also have a tattoo right here that says stay humble, hustle hard. So hustler money, period. So yeah, and I just got this in a large. Yeah, and it was $5 also. Actually, I went to a couple places, but I'm gonna show y'all in order. I got this right here. It's this long shirt. It just says weekend. It's lavender. And it's just long. It's really like thin, like material. Like you can't expect too much. It's Five Below. But I don't know. I'll probably throw it on with like some leggings. Excuse me, because I think it's a sweater dress or whatever. So I'm probably just gonna throw it on with like some leggings and some gloves or something. Who knows, and a jacket. I got 2 pair of socks, and it's just some slipper socks, and I got it for size 9 to 11. I wear a size 8, but I was just like, why not? It's like house socks. So yep, I just got a pink pair. Oh wait, and it says day off. And then I got a white pair and it says boss babe, and I'm probably gonna give one of them to my mama. I like the pink one. I'm probably gonna give her the black and white one. But yeah, and those were $5, I think. I got this pair of jogging sweatpants, and it's just it has the drawstring inside of them, and then it's just the elastic waist like regular sweatpants. And I actually got these in gray and black, but I already wore the black ones, and oh my God, when I tell y'all, these are the most comfortable sweatpants, and only for $5 you cannot beat it. Like, go get you some. I honestly might go get some more, but they only had black and gray, so oh well. I got this Tide to Go instant stain remover pen, the little pen that I don't know if you've seen it on the commercials like a long time ago. They used to show them all the time, and apparently it's supposed to get like stains out like right away. So I was just like, why not get it? And it was only $3.29. So I was like, if it work, it work. If it don't, it don't. But might as well try it. What else did I get? Oh, I got this little eyeshadow palette, and it's just Smoke and Mirrors gorgeous electric eyeshadow palette, and it was only $5. I'm about to open it up for y'all. I hope so. Yeah, y'all can see it now. Okay, and it just has 3, 6, 9, 12 different eyeshadows, and they are so pretty. Oh my God, they're gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I don't even usually wear eyeshadow, so yeah, I was like, why not try it? There. And it was just this complete eyelash kit, and it comes with an eyelash curler, tweezers for like lashes, and then some regular tweezers, and this was $5 also. And this rose gold, my favorite color. So I'm excited to use these because I was actually gonna buy some rose gold ones from
Got him! Got him!
Ulta or Sephora. I can't remember which one, and they was like $9. So I was like, get a whole set right here for $5, so why not? And that is all that I got from there. And then I went to Ulta, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got from there. I didn't really get too much, but I'm excited for what I did get. I got some mascara, and this is just the Essence Lash of the Day Super Volume Mascara. And how much is this? I have the receipt. No, I don't even got the receipt. I don't know how much this was. I think it was like $3 or something. But actually, I'm gonna put some on now because I'm not gonna wear lashes. Am I gonna wear lashes? I don't know. Y'all, what should I do? Lashes, no lashes. I have no idea. It like the makeup look to me. Look, hold on, let me focus. Looks pretty decent without any lashes, but I don't know. The lashes just bam, girl, I'm here. Period. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put on lashes. I'm so indecisive. And then I got 3 more things. I got some long-lasting Black Fever Essence eye pencil, and it's just this right here, like for eyeliner. That, and then I got another eyebrow brush, like to smooth out the concealer and stuff right here. This was just Essence also. And then last but not least, I seen this. I hadn't even heard of it, so y'all know I'm not a beauty guru or nothing like that, but I hadn't even heard of this, and when I tested it in the store, I was like, oh, I need that. And it's like 20 bucks. Oh, I need that. And it is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvet Matte Foundation. Right here. And a little bit goes a long way, and it's apparently full coverage. And I watched like people's reviews on it, and when they use this, it's flawless. I cannot wait to use it. And it's like a small bottle, but like I said, a little bit goes a long way. So we'll see if it works. Your girl might have a new foundation. But yeah, that's all that I got from Ulta. And then the, hold on, I have one more thing. Oh, and the last but not least, I got some stuff from the beauty supply store. I love going to the beauty supply store. I don't know why. I just love being in the beauty supply store. So, yeah, I got, I don't even know how many this is. Let me see. 7 pairs of lashes. And this is just the La Flare 3D Cashmere lashes. So I got this kind right here. And then I got these right here. I think 1 or 2 pair are the same. I got these right here. These. Oh, I might put these on today. I don't know. Put those up there. Oh shoot, I'm messing stuff up. I got these. These. Look, I'm like, girl, shut up. And last but not least, I got these pair also. So as you can see, I got a lot of lashes, and I'm so excited because I love wearing lashes. But yeah, do I got any glue with me? I think I got some glue up here because I'm gonna put those on. I'm probably gonna put those on as soon as I end this video. Hold on, y'all. I'm all off track. Do I want to put these on, or do I want to put these? I'll put these on, whatever. Get it. I'm gonna leave it down there. Jesus, I'm like 107. I also picked up a eyebrow pencil, and this is just the one that got the pencil on one end and the spoolie on the other. And it is just by the company KenzieChenelle. KenzieChenelle? I guess that's how you pronounce it. New York. And I just got it in brown. then, as y'all know, I love my hoops. And that's really why I'm filming this video today. Because I wanted to wear my hoops so bad. And then I didn't want to forget anything in this haul. So I was like, you know what? We're going to film this video. I put these hoops on. So I got me a gold pair. And all the earrings and stuff was $149 a piece. Like this little pack of studs. I be putting those in like my second hole, and then sometimes I put it in like my top hole. But yeah. Then I got some of these. Some silver pair with the little rhinestones on them. Another silver pair. And then I got a gold pair. So yeah, you guys, that is all that I got for this haul. This video was actually pretty quick. I was definitely thinking it was going to take longer, but yeah. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, Rosebud is out. Don't forget to stay blessed, never stress. Peace.